Welcome to the second video. Here we will walk you through the process of self-deployment, where you will set up your device as the new workplace. After the device has been resetted and it has been rebooted, you will be prompted with the following screen. Here we have to select our region, and for the most of you that will be the Netherlands. So scroll up to Netherlands and select it, click yes. Next we should select the keyboard layout. So again, for the most of you, that will be United States International Keyboard. The device will ask if you want to add a second keyboard layout, but we're going to skip that for now. So as you can see here, the device has some important setup to do. What it's going to do now is it's going to connect or contact the Elho domain, and it will ask if this device is known within the Intune environment. So by uploading the device settings file, we've made the device known within Intune. So Intune will now answer the device, okay, we know you and this is your configuration profile. The device will download the profile and it will reboot into the autopilot status. So let's wait until it's done. As you can see, the device is now rebooting. Once it is done rebooting, you will be prompted with the welcome to Elho screen. Here you have to enter your email address and select next. So as mentioned before, we have a test account and we select yes. It will then take you to the organization's sign-in page where you have to enter your password. Enter your password and select sign in. Now it will contact the Elho domain again. It will say to Intune, okay, I'm device X and the user test2.axians wants to self-deploy its device within Intune. Here we can see the device is setting up for work. So what it's doing now is a complete automated process. It's going to self-deploy. First, it's going to prepare the device. It's going to set up the correct settings and it will prepare the device for mobile management. It's going to download and install the Intune management service. After this process has been completed, it will then move over to the device setup, where it will set all the correct configurations and it will start downloading the required applications. So as we can see now, the device preparation is complete and it's going to start the device setup. It already did the security policies, the network connections, and now it's going to install the applications. You can see here how many applications we have required for the device to work. At the moment it's at 0 of the 4 installed. Once all 4 applications are installed, the device will then reboot and we will continue with the account setup. This process might take up to an hour, depending on your internet speed and how many applications it has to install. If for whatever reason the setup cannot be completed within the hour, an error message will be shown. Don't worry about this, as there is a Continue Anyway button in the left bottom corner. If you press that, Windows will start and it will continue to set up your device in the background. For now, let's fast forward to the next step. So after the device setup has been completed, we will be prompted with a login screen where we will obviously use our email address again and the password. So here we can see it's still self-deploying, and now it's done with the first two steps, and it's going to complete the last step, which is the account setup. For now, we are going to wait until the last part has finished, so we can start using our new workplace. Self-deployment has now finished, and your new workplace has been set up and is ready for use. Please continue to the final video, where we will walk you through the basics of your new workplace.